What's poppin', guys? It's me, Jake. Yeah, my name's Jake, guys, and this is our first video, and I'm here with my brother again. Say hi, brother.
Hello, I am back once again, and today we are going to be getting the radio for free in Murder Mystery 2 Roblox for real this time.
But brother,
What?
piracy is no mystery.
What's going on, guys? Jake here, back again. And guys,
Piracy is no mystery.
what's going on, guys? It's Jake here, back again. And guys,
Piracy is no mystery.
what's going on, guys? It's Jake here, back again. And yeah, this is our video, guys. And I'm so excited because, you know, you guys always want to see some good videos. So this video is gonna be about how, see over there? Yeah, how to get your own radio in Murder Mystery 2 in Roblox. So, my bro, can you tell us how you could do it?
Well, first of all, you have to go into the menu and select keyboard and mouse.
Yeah. Oh, in settings?
Yeah.
Oh, look, I just got an email from Roblox that's saying
Piracy is no mystery.